your company is already MEF 3.0 Carrier Ethernet Certified, Carrier Ethernet for Business certification provides a simple, low-friction path forward to strengthen your position in the NAS ecosystem. What was previously known as MEF 3.0 Carrier Ethernet Certification has evolved into a broader, more future-ready certification program applicable to both service providers and technology providers. Today, the program includes 2 complementary certifications. Carrier Ethernet for Business certification is the evolution and rebranding of MEF 3.0 Carrier Ethernet. Carrier Ethernet for AI certification is new. It is purpose-built to support emerging AI workloads and designed to evolve as new performance tiers get standardized. Carrier Ethernet for Business certification is available exclusively to Mplify members. Participation is optional. Mplify members in good standing who already have MEF 3.0 Carrier Ethernet certifications can join the Carrier Ethernet for Business certification program for free and have their certifications rebranded to Carrier Ethernet for Business, be included in the Mplify certification registry, and benefit from the various Mplify marketing and promotional activities. By the end of each year, members pay an annual maintenance fee to keep their certification active. The maintenance fee includes the added benefit of an optional free retesting period to refresh their certification and receive an updated test record. Testing is conducted using Lab in the Sky, the fully automated, cloud-based test and certification platform by Iometrics, the Mplify accredited test and certification partner for Carrier Ethernet. For Mplify members in good standing who already have MEF 3.0 CE certifications, the maintenance fees are waived for the first year in the program. Learn more or talk with Mplify to get started.